We're going to continue our Sketchup 3D modeling. But before we proceed, we'll just recall what we have done previously. So first, we imported a file from AutoCAD 2D file to Sketchup 3D modeling. So after that, we rescale our drawing according to our desired measurement, right? The length and the width. So then also on our last video, we created a line, line edges of our window, so we will not miss it. So you can see here, all these lines are window edges. So it's it will be very easy for us to locate our window's location. So to continue, now we will create our window openings. But first, we'll delete this reference line. So as you can see here, we will assume this line as our finished floor, the bottom of our structure here. So normally, Windows bottom is around 900 meters from the finished floor line, around 3 feet when you are using English unit. But in our case, we are using millimeter units, so we'll create our reference point over here from the bottom by clicking this tape measure tool or T on your keyboard. See? Then drag this line going to the top and create a reference line of around 900. This line here will be the bottom of our windows. Okay. Also, please take a look at your right side corner of your screen, so you can see here the dimension of your window. Okay. And now we're going to create our opening. Just click this rectangle. So up to here. As you can see here, you will find here 0. I'm sorry. And take a look on your right side corner of your screen. 0 and 741. 740 is just an assumption measurement, but we'll do this one just to get you familiarized on how to do this window opening. However, this window's height is around between 1,200 to 1,300 millimeters. So what we'll do now is we will follow, which is normally used around 1,200 millimeter height window. Okay. So from the right side corner, see, while you are dragging this line up, you will see the height, and the first here, around here, this is this height, the other one is the width. Okay. So simply, you can type the height of your window, 1,200, then comma, then the opening is around 741, right? There it goes. So this is now your window's opening. So the same with the other side. 741. Again, we will type 1,200 by 741. Okay, here's now the second window opening. Then we have here our window shape. Oh wait, I think this is okay, it's an opening for our window. The other one is for AC opening, as I remember. Then this is AC opening. So we will do our windows opening first, as we discussed before. This is our windows opening here. 741. So 1,200, comma, 741. Oh, sorry, 741. Okay. So take a look at this AC opening. So AC opening is much more higher than the windows, correct? So from this 900, we'll again make a line from here, let's say around 2 meters from the finished floor line. So previously we have here 900, correct? So we'll create the bottom of our AC opening to be 2 meters from the finished floor line. Okay. From 900, we'll put again 1,100. Okay, to make it 2 meters. So from here to here must be 2 meters. Okay, rightly so. So from here on, we'll create another opening for our AC opening. Let's say around from here, around maybe 500 height, approximately 500. So we'll again type dimension height. The height of this window AC opening 500 by 741. So, oh sorry, Undo. Again, undo is Control Z. To make sure, we just measure this one up. From here to here, so yes, 741. Okay. So from here, we'll create our opening. Okay. Okay. 500 by 741. Maybe I wrote before 714. Okay. There it goes. So we can now delete this line here. Oh, sorry. Delete this one up. This one up. Now we'll select this. There are two ways to make an opening for our windows. First, okay, again, two ways. First, click this push-pull button. Then, push this highlighted forward. Then bring this. See, bring this one here. Once you see this at the other side of this wall, release it. Okay. Oh, just somehow see. It's now open. Right? It's open. The same we will do at the other side. Okay. Press pull, then push, then release. See, it's open. Then from here, we'll do the other method. But first, we measure the thickness of our wall here. From here to here, it's around 200. I think, but this is more easier. When you glitch this one up, push pull, then bring this one here, push this one over there, then type 200 on your, see, on your, take a look at your right side of your screen, then enter. It's open. This is the easier method. Again, two ways. One here, one by pushing this one up, then bringing this command at the top of your, at the edge of the other side of your wall. While the other one, just simply click this one, then type, push, then type 200. Push, then type 200. See? Much more easier. Then from here on, we can delete our lines here. Delete. And also there's another one. Again, we'll select this erase or simply press E again. So, press E. Okay, then we can delete this here. Just press and hold your left hand button of your mouse. Press, then release. Then press, release. So press, release. Press, release. Press, release. Press, release. Press, release. Now you have your windows opening. Okay. So we'll go to the other side of our windows here. We're not. By the way, this line is our canopy, because this drawing is intended for second floor. See, you see bedroom here. This is our master bedroom. This is also the bedroom of your children's bedroom, and the other one is visitor's room, visitor's bedroom here. Okay. So again, we'll go to the other side of your window here. Again, as we did previously, I will keep on repeating this method so you will not forget about it. So again, make a reference line here. Again, 900. As I've said, this is the standard Windows reference point from the bottom. So again, select this rectangle. Then here, how much is it? 1,002. So you again type your height of your window, 1,200. Then width is around 1,000. Right? Okay. Then now, before we erase this as a reference point, we go to the other side of your window. What are these? Oh, wait, sorry. Okay, nothing. So we can delete this one here. So we'll not get bothered with this line. So again, we'll create another line here, reference point. So around 900. But make sure that your marking is around this blue, see? Blue. See, you will see this blue here. So 900 again. This is now our Windows reference point. Again, we'll create our Windows opening here. 1,000. Oh, this okay. 1,200 by I think 111. And I say this one. That one. Correct. So this is our our window. Then take a look around. I think all windows is all our windows are open. Okay. Oh, something with here. So there's another. Oh, sorry. Again. Okay. So again, we'll do this one here. Click. Then select push. Then put this one slightly. Then type 200. See, it's open. Was it 200 again? Was it 200? Oh yeah, 200. Okay, these windows are now open. Oh, what happened? Ah, see? Same because we have a line at the back. Again, we'll undo this one here. So we'll delete this line at the back. Okay. So do like this. Then 1200 by 1000. Make it exact. Same with the other windows. But you guys simply you can just simply delete this line here. Okay, delete. So we just use the same size of our windows. Then select this one here. So no more at the back. Then push, slightly push this one like this. Then type 200. Okay. Or you can take this another one here. Okay. So, okay. See, you can also delete directly by your hand. Okay. So delete this one here. Delete. There's a imaginary line at the back. That's why it happened. Okay. Sorry. So now we are done with our windows. So what you can do now is, oh, we forgot this line over here. Select, full, type 200. Was it 200? I forgot already. Was it 200? 148 only. That's why I make a mistake. Okay, I undo. Again, be sure this one not. Maybe something wrong with our. Okay, 148. So we'll select this, press pull, then type 148. Okay. Oops, sorry. Oh, it's not coming. Sorry. Pull better push one, then at the top. Okay. Now it's open. Right? Okay, it's open. So you'll delete this one up. Okay. Or by using erase. Okay. Delete all this line at the bottom. Now you have this two opening. I think there's one window missing. This side. So what you can do here, we'll create a line over here. It is actually terrace. Okay. So what we can do here, we can delete this line here. Delete. See? Delete. I'm sorry, because I forgot that there's a terrace over here. So here, we'll create another reference point over here. Then we can go back to this one later. Here we can go back to this one later. So we'll again create this reference line for our windows. 900. Okay. Then we'll create our opening. From here to here, it's around 1000 also. So we type 1200, the height, and the width of 1 meter or 1000. Then we'll click this, select push or P on your keyboard, then type 148, I think. No. What's the dimension here? Sorry. Dimension here is around 111. So click this one, push, select this one, then 111, 111. Okay, now it's open. Okay, and there's another hidden line at the back. That's why it's happened. So on our AutoCAD drawing, there are hidden lines that we forgot to erase. So just press this one again. See at the back, the reference there, but you can delete it. So in this case, you can select this pool. We will use the other method. We have hidden lines that was never erased. So press pool, then like this. Put this one up. Then okay. So these two methods are very useful when you are creating openings on your windows. You can either type this measurement here, or just simply use the other method, is push, then bring this push command over here at the other edge of your wall. Okay. Now we'll delete this one again here. Delete this one here. Delete this one here, or simply erase. Then delete like this. Hold your left button key of your mouse, then release. Then right now, we can delete our reference guide here. So, references are all erased. Okay. Now our openings are complete. Correct? See? So, I guess it's time for us to take a little bit of review. Okay? Again, now we are on our third day of the lesson. The first one is we do the importing of our AutoCAD file to Sketchup, then do the scaling, then we created a walls around here. And for on our third video, we created a Windows opening over here. Right? So again, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you later, and in the next video, we'll put Windows here by taking our just like a template from this, see, from this 3D warehouse. So all you need is available in 3D warehouse, which we are going to discuss next time around. Okay, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day. Hope you will keep on following our lesson and be familiarized of how to use SketchUp 2018. Even lower version, so actually it's the same command that we're using. Again, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.